Spreaker Studio is the easiest way to create and manage your podcast from a mobile device without having to worry about extra gear or software. Once your podcast is up and running, your listeners can tune in from our listening app, Spreaker Podcast Radio, or from Spreaker's website. Let's take a look at Spreaker Studio first. Download Spreaker Studio from Google Play. Log in using your account credentials. Set up your profile by adding your name, an image, and bio. Access the console. Let's record offline first. Go into the effects section to access the different sound effects that have been pre-populated in the app. If you need to take a quick break, just tap on the pause button. If you're done with the recording, tap on the stop button to end your episode. Your episode will automatically end up in the draft section under My Episodes. You can play it back to make sure it sounds the way you want, as well as add information like a title, description, and image. Let's try going live now. This time you'll be asked to add a title and info before you actually start streaming. Once you go live, you'll be able to use a few added features in the console, like the ability to chat with listeners as you go live. Just tap on the chat section and send a message. As soon as you end your live broadcast, you'll be able to see your stats immediately, letting you know how many people were listening in as you were going live. These stats will always be accessible from the statistics section. So that covers how you can record your podcast, but how can listeners find you? Spreaker Podcast Radio is an app dedicated to listeners where they can browse Spreaker's entire catalog of podcasts. Let's take a look. Download Spreaker Podcast Radio. Open the app and log in using the same credentials you used to log in to Spreaker Studio. Let's start by searching your show. In the search bar, type the title of your podcast. You should see it come up in the results. Tap on the show. You'll see all the episodes you've created listed. Now tap on any episode to listen to it. Tap on the episode playing at the bottom to see what else you can do. In this new episode view, you'll see a number of icons. Tap on the speech bubble icon to see and leave comments. Tap on the heart icon to like that episode and to add it to your likes playlist. Swipe to the right or left to see the previous or next episodes. Tap on Info to see your show description. We haven't added one yet, but we can still see the podcaster who created it. At the top of this show view, tap on the star to add it to your favorite section. In the favorite section, you'll see all of your starred shows listed. Now let's talk about playlists. In the playlist section, you'll find auto-generated playlists based on what you like, what you download, what you want to listen to later, and your history, where you'll find what you've last listened to. You can add episodes to these lists by tapping on the More icon, or the three dots, and choosing where you want your episode to go. Spreaker isn't just made up of apps. We offer a website too, where you can both manage your podcast and tune into others. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos for more information on how Spreaker is your complete podcasting solution.